Well, it just got done snowing about 6 o'clock, and got church in the morning. It says another inch of snow in the next 48 hours, so we got, it's supposed to be really windy too. We got a bunch of snow already. I just dropped my keys in the snow. So I'm gonna go clean the snow right now. Well, it is light out, so I have to do all of that in the morning. See if the old girl will start. No pumping. Alright. Oh, settle down. Can't have all that on the YouTube. Alright, we'll do a pump. One pump. Alright. Heater on. Alright, let's go get that snow blower. Let's get the snow blower loaded up. Just gonna take the little snow blower and get that done. Starting to get dark out right now, so hopefully we can get in there and get most of it done before it gets too dark. Don't have to do it in the morning. Well, it looks like it always looks when it's covered with snow, I guess, right? So, get snow blower out, start being some trails down here. Then we'll get the old shovel out of the back of here. I brought the MTD. She's been working pretty good normally. So, the snow is more wet snow. It's kind of melting when it hits the pavement. So we'll see how this this blows. You know what I mean? Not blow, but blows. To do is shovel past her steps over there and then shovel the other steps, and we are done. Just got done doing snow at church here. Uncle Tony's back from his little vacation, so he's gonna come over and plow this, so long as the fine people in Royalton doesn't come plow all the snow back where I just put it. Hope you have a good day. Toodles. church, or before many people get there. But it rained the last night, so everything's a little bit slippery on the bottom side of the pavement. So, see how much snow we take off, or just going to let it pack down and let it be walking on that so they don't fall in the ice. Well, pastor's here. He's got it all lit up. Uncle Tony came in late last night and got the sidewalk. The rest of it done. We'll just get this layer of snow off and we'll be golden as it's snowing.